Hi, my name's Catch and today we're going to be making this funky tool caddy for our dads. So firstly, I'm going to take a canvas drop sheet to protect my table. You can use anything that you've got at home, some newspaper, some plastic. We've got the range of PVC couplings here, some nice bright paints to paint it up with and our brushes. Got some water here to wash it. You can put your paint on this plate and it'll easily wash off in water. Got some reusable adhesive here and our paint pens for some detail at the end. So think about your dad's tools and how you'd like to assemble this. So I'm going to take some bigger ones here at the back. You can always place two together for a taller effect here, then two smaller ones at the front and he'll fit right there. That's great. So now the fun starts, choosing your nice bright colours. Every dad loves orange, so I've selected blue and orange. Pop some paint on our plate for easy access. Grab your brush and let's start going. So we've finished painting our first one, but we can still see a couple of streaks. So I'll put it aside to dry and come back and do another coat so it's a nice solid bright colour. So while we're waiting for the orange one to dry, we'll start on painting our next one. Paint on the insides to make it nice and bright. I'm choosing a contrasting colour that'll look great with the orange. Let's pop some blue. If you've only got the one brush, give it a quick wash in some water, quick rinse, dry it on some paper towel. We're ready to go with our next colour. Now a couple of layers have dried. I'm going to make them a bit more interesting with some nice bright orange stripes. You can really decorate them however you like. You can also use your paint pens for some detail. So I'm going to write on this number 1 dad because my dad's number 1. Oops, so if you make a little mistake, don't worry, you can always grab your orange paint and just go over it. Now that everything's dry, we're going to assemble it with our reusable adhesive, so Dad can change it any way he likes. And there you have it, a really cool and colourful present for Dad.